So guys, this is what's going on with this page now. What I'm going to do is, I know you guys are waiting on some hair videos and all of that. It is coming. I am basically working on the brand, to be honest, and with the palettes and the new stuff, the revamping and the new stuff, the new products that I'm bringing to the table. I want to do everything, and I'm more focused on that. So that's the reason why I'm not posting a lot on this page. And also too, you know, we have 2 other channels, and then I have kids, and then I have so much to do. So it's like I cannot post every day, and if I do post once a week or twice a week, you know, I think I'm doing something. But also too, we have the family channel where we try to post every day. We've been slacking up for the last week, but hopefully that will come back to normal soon. Yes, the brand is working on, you guys will see ear videos, the makeup things. I'm not doing no makeup videos right now, and the reason for that is because I am definitely waiting on my palettes, and I have palettes for, you know, nude, colorful, the contour, the blush. So it's a complete set that we're coming out with. So that's the reason why I'm really not doing no makeup looks. I want to save those bomb looks for when I get my own palette. So that's why I'm not really doing no live and stuff like that. I just keep the simple face, and you know, we just keep it moving. But definitely you guys will see stuff. I think in July we'll have more updates on what's coming on. Hopefully we can do the launch in July. Everything is delayed because the pandemic and stuff that's going on, so we definitely have to slow down. Shipping is so expensive right now for everything, and then shipping is slow because I've been waiting on these sample palettes to show you guys so I can take pictures, I can start the pre-orders, but they're still in the process. I have not received a notification and stuff like that, but definitely I'll update you guys on that. Okay, so with this video I'm just telling you guys all of that, what's going on with WatchCrissyWork and stuff like that. So stay tuned. We are gonna have personal videos on here, different from the hair and the makeup. And I know you guys are waiting on a hair video. It's kind of hard to do hair videos for me. I don't know about nobody else, because the channel was not based on hair videos, but you guys want to see how I make my wigs. It's kind of hard to record, and then the speed up, and then it's just kind of hard for me because it's not something that I'm doing. The makeup now, you're definitely sitting in front of the camera and boom, you just start doing the makeup and talk. You know, if you do too much, now move, wonder if the camera set right with the ear and stuff like that. So definitely you guys will see those videos too when I will start my wigs, so it's never too late. Alright, yeah, just stay tuned for everything, guys. And I do appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. You have to subscribe. Make sure you also like the page, WatchCrissyWork on Facebook, and subscribe to the family channel. Check it out, and you know what, just do everything. Make sure you share it with a friend. If your friend don't know about the channel as yet, let her know, let him know. Okay, that is important. I do thank you guys. It's late right now, it's 4 a.m. and I'm gonna take a shower, go to bed. I'm not gonna wake up until maybe 1 o'clock or so, but yeah, I'm just making this video right now before. Alright, and when it's not food, I'll be cooking, or the makeup, which is on pause until maybe in July. I'll just come and talk about stuff with you guys. And I have another video to do. Somebody, remember I was telling you guys about the whole quarantine your body and your mind outside. I have a book where I write down some stuff. I want to tell you guys something that, because even with the business, I see that people really want to start business, but they want to start a business because you tell them that, you know, having your own business is important, but really and truly they still don't, you know, find the time to dig deep and know that, okay, then if this is something that you want, you have to find time and you have to do your research. If even somebody do research for you, what about in the future? Or are you gonna do it? Sometimes it's not every time we can pay people to do stuff, or not everybody's gonna tell you stuff. You have to do that yourself, because two things: research take time and samples cost money. So you know what, you have to just spend time and do what you want to do. But I'll have that video updated. I still have some stuff to write down as they come along. So yeah, I don't want to come and just talk on one stuff. So I'll definitely do that video again for persons who still, you know, just know that they want to start business. But why do you really want to start business? So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching, and until my next upload, bye.